Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, go to coinbase.com and sign into your account. Tap Discover More Assets and tap Dogecoin. You will be able to see the details on this page. Go back and tap Buy at the right of Dogecoin. If you already have a payment method, just type the sum amount that you want to purchase with. Choose your payment method, tap Preview Buy and review the details. Finally, tap Buy Now. And that's how you buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.